Hi friends, I am Suhas Mistry, Director of Samyak Realcon Private Limited. Today, I want to share my experience regarding Home Loan Sanction Letter. Friends, Home Loan Sanction Letter is a very important document in home buying process. I want to share two cases with you. Right now, we are experiencing one case. We done one deal where buyer was searching a flat. His budget was 75 to 80 lakhs. And after searching 2 months or 3 months, he identified or he liked one flat. He gave token to that flat owner. And at the time of deal, he told us that he will get 75 lakh rupees loan. Then, deal is over, we did the MOU. Now, after submitting all the papers to the bank, it is observed that he is only eligible for 50 to 55 lakhs rupees home loan. Then we asked that buyer, why you are telling us that you are eligible for 75 lakhs? So he told that before in the search process, he also contacted few banks. Then one of a bank sales executive, I don't want to name any bank or anyone, but sales executive told the buyer that he will get 75 lakh rupees loan after looking at their salary slips and their bank statement. They only give bank statement for an applicant, they don't give a bank statement of co-applicant. Now, from 1.5 months, he is struggling to get a 75 lakh rupees loan. His loan was processed in 4 to 5 banks, and each bank is giving his eligibility to 50 to 55 lakhs. So, there are so many issues are there and so many things to be considered while getting a home loan. Bank thoroughly scrutinize their paper. They tally their bank statement with the salary, their form number 16. Then there are other rules and regulations are there which has to be followed, and then your sanction letters comes to you. Now, after 3 months of search, they identified one property. After identifying a property, buyer virtually stays in that property. He tried to discuss in their family how they are going to have their living room, what they are going to do in kitchen, what they are going to do in that bedroom, how they are going to renovate their balcony. Everything they are discussing from 1.5 months. Now they are into a shock. Now seller, I don't think he will deduct some amount from the token amount and he will return, and now buyer is into loss. Another example is there. One of our client, it is a very interesting example. They sold their property at 80 lakh rupees. Because they are staying in 1 BHK, their flat cost was 1 BHK 80 lakh rupees. They want to buy a 2 BHK because their children is now one in 12th, second in second year graduation. They need a space. So they wanted 2 BHK in a tower, which cost 1.4 to 1.5 lakhs. So they sold their 1 BHK at 80 lakhs rupees. They repaid their home loan of 10 to 15 lakhs, 65 lakh rupees are there in their hand, and they started searching. After 1 or 2 months search, they identified one property, they liked that property. Then we arrange one meeting, they give 2 lakh rupees token to that seller, and they told us that they are eligible for 80 to 90 lakh rupees loan. Same thing happened. After putting their papers in the bank, the co-applicant's civil was so bad, he defaulted 2 personal loans. His credit card history was bad, so he is not eligible for a single rupees loan. And they are staying in a rented house because they sold their house and they wanted 2 BHK. Now, seller waited for 2 months. He forfeited their 1 lakh rupees. They are into 1 lakh rupees loss and they are staying in a rented house. This happens only because of not getting home loan sanction letter. So there are so many examples. Other side of coin is that if you have a home loan sanction letter, it will give you strength and confidence at a time of negotiation. And if you are having a strength and confidence, you will get a 5 to 10% less price property, because you will have a confidence. You can confidently tell the seller that we'll give you payment in 15 or 20 days. I have a sanction letter, whatever, 60 lakhs, 80 lakhs, 1.5 CR. That amount is there in your bank. It is assumed that sanction letter is the amount which is you owning the amount. So please, while searching a home loan, go to a trusted bank, have a sanction letter, then search a property and finalize the property. Before having a sanction letter, don't finalize the property. Thank you very much.